Hey mom and random people on the internet watching this right now, it's Zizi. I just woke up and I'm already having a miserable day, so what better than baking some muffins so I can eat my feelings. Also, just a little disclaimer, if you came here to learn some baking, you're completely wrong. But if you came here to have some fun, you're completely right. Okay, anyway, you should definitely keep watching because I think this is gonna be a disaster. Okay, so as I said, I'm just having a really miserable day today. And I guess I'm just gonna try to have some fun in front of the camera. And honestly, I just think, why did I choose to do baking for that? Because I'm actually shit at baking, as you could tell right now. But then I'm also like, okay, but when I film this, maybe it's actually gonna be a bit of fun. Because I really have fun filming these past few videos that have gone up that you should actually totally check out, you know. Okay, cringe. There we go. Did I mention that we were baking cupcakes today? I don't know if I mentioned. That's the plan. Let's see what it will be once it gets out of the oven. Okay, we put in 2 eggs. Now it's time for the butter. Get my handy dandy scale out, you know. Okay, so in the recipe it said about 125 grams of butter and these are about 73 grams, so that's great. Let's see if we even have any more butter at home right now, because I don't think so. Yeah, we do, and it's the really expensive one that's actually just meant to go on bread because it's so expensive and my mom will get really annoyed that I use this, but I had to, it's for YouTube, mom. Even though nobody's probably watching this. I'm really wanting to grow this channel, you know, because it's actually kind of fun and I think that more people would enjoy this content. Nope, I actually don't. Just trying to tell myself that. That's the old butter. How much was it? I'm gonna have to watch out the footage probably. Okay, so the old butter was about 70 grams. So what do we say? 125. 70. How much do I need? 55, right? You know, fun fact, I actually always had straight A's in mathematics in school. Okay, anyway, let's just do like 50 or so. Alrighty. Ooh, that's so sad to bake with this butter because it's actually such good butter, like you can't imagine. Flippin' jet going on out there, are you kidding me? I'm trying to film here! This is already stressing me out, woohoo! Already, I'm just gonna move over here real quick because you can't see anything I do. Nice. I'm just trying to be so close to the camera, you know, just trying to be very close to you, whoever's watching this. In a few years when I'm really famous actually, which I am definitely gonna be, you can say that you were here from the beginning, like, you know, all those comments on these famous YouTubers pages like, I was there when you had like 1,000 subscribers. You can say that. You were there when I had just 1 subscriber, because I think I have like 1 subscriber at the moment and it's probably my mom. Love you, mom. Sorry, I kind of messed up your kitchen in a few seconds. I'm just apologizing in advance because at the moment it doesn't look too bad, you know? It doesn't look too bad. I will show you. Okay, you can't see anything really, but there's like eggs down there. I don't want to tell it. Ah! Yeah, there we go. Just gonna put away the expensive butter then. You know, I'm actually really a fan of butter. Is there anyone else out there who's like obsessed with butter on bread? Like, it's something so simple, but it's like so good. Also, can we just talk about the fact that I'm literally standing in my kitchen in my pajamas on a... What day is it today? On a Wednesday morning, because I'm off of work today and I wanted to film. And here I am like, but then look at those amazing shots. Oh, not trying to get demonetized before I even got monetized. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to chop. Gosh, I'm such a mess. Look what I just found. I did like macaroni and cheese with a bit of bacon yesterday and I'm gonna eat that for breakfast in a few minutes. Not a few minutes, probably an hour, like just after this video. That is annoying me. Nope, just joking. I'm actually really happy that you're all here. Yeah, I love you. Ew. You know, I'm actually not gonna preheat the oven because it's gonna be blimming loud in the background of this, right? Oh. Gosh, how do people do these baking videos? Like, I don't... You remember what I said in the beginning of this video, that I was just trying to have some fun, and that's why I do some baking. Like, not having fun. Are you having fun? Probably not. Gotta stay hydrated, kids. Also, you should totally just ignore this mess behind me. My mom was making some marmalade, which is actually amazing, and I love her for that, but these glasses kind of are annoying, you know, and they are just standing there waiting to be used. And I'm like, yeah guys, you don't have a purpose in life, just like I do.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Let's get this sugar. No, the tripod is in front of that. This is so annoying. I literally can't get it out. Ah, wait, why? I got it! This was so stressful, not gonna lie. Then we need the sugar in here. You know, just try to be professional as you do. Oh, exactly 125. Oh my god, guys. This never happens to me. Then we should probably start mixing, shall we? Okay, this is gonna be loud. Get excited. Ew, what was I just doing back there?
A few moments later.
Whoa, that actually looks nice. Wait, let me show you. Oh, it's going everywhere. So, right in here, as you can probably not tell because the bowl is kind of the same color, but in here is my egg and butter and sugar. We need some baking soda and then just flour. So let me just get that out. Oh, I'm still in frame. Just some vanilla extract, baking soda. Actually, does anyone know the difference between baking soda and baking powder? Like, I don't get it. In Germany we only have like baking soda, I guess, or baking powder. Once again, I'm actually so sorry for all the moms who are like watching this, trying to understand baking, and I'm just talking about my life being a mess. Because that's how it is. I'm not trying to cry on camera, but it would make such a great thumbnail actually, and title, you know. The YouTube game is hard, you guys, the YouTube game is hard. But I'm trying my best, you know, I'm trying my best, and you gotta believe in yourself. This is like, oh, how did I get the egg on here? Just gonna wipe that off with my mom's favorite cheat towels, so yeah. She's gonna be so annoyed at me after this, you know. I'm just trying my best, Mom. I'm just trying to make you happy. I'm actually baking these cupcakes for my mom because when she will come back from work in the afternoon, I think it'll make her really happy when I bake something. So I'm actually trying my best to leave her some of these cupcakes and not eat them all by myself. Actually, I won't probably because they will taste shit. But you should definitely try the recipe, which I didn't even mention. Like, I didn't even show you how to do the recipe. Oh no, I need to get back down there where... Ooh, why didn't I pick out the flour beforehand? Ah, I'm so annoyed at myself. Yep, just pulled it out. That's what she said. Can we just talk about these chokes for a second? Like, that's what she said chokes. Because I feel like they are so out of date, but they are still so funny. Because when will these chokes ever not be funny, you know? So annoying. How much do I need? Anyway, let's just go. That will work out, I think. Okay, amazing. Just doing it like however you feel, you know? That's like my number rule in baking is just don't always use the scale, even though I'm actually just using the scale, but I'm not really looking at the scale, so that's great. Just trust me. Don't trust me actually on baking tips, but trust me. Yup. Oh, it says to add milk if I feel like it. You know, I actually always feel like adding milk because who doesn't love milk, honestly?
A few moments later.
Yep, I definitely need some milk with that because that is way too... That actually doesn't look too bad. I'm kind of impressed with myself. So we now need to line the baking tray and then we can put them in the oven, I think. It was so quick, you know? Okay, let's try to clean this mess up. You know, one thing I noticed during the process of this is that these videos are actually kind of fun and kind of struggling. There's just so much stuff out here which I don't even know what I used it for. Actually just gonna get my muffin tray at this point. Doesn't it look nice? Thingy. you know, so that it won't stick to the cup in any way. But today I'm just gonna go rebel and I'm just gonna use one. So now we are gonna fill this dough into those, what are they called again? Baking tray. Yeah, baking tray, right. Okay, right, how do I do this? I should probably use a spoon for that. Yep, wait one sec, just got the spoon. Are you a big spoon or little spoon when you cuddle? I'm actually neither, because I don't cuddle, because nobody loves me.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
I normally don't feel like my cupcake dough is this consistency. Me saying normally when I actually baked cupcakes like once in my whole life. But still remember, to all the moms still watching out there, first of all, thanks, and second of all, still follow the recipe that I still haven't mentioned anyway in this video, but you know, I'm a pro, so yeah, you definitely will learn something from, from that video. You will learn something, which is actually not make a mess in your mother's kitchen, because she will get really annoyed. But if there are actually any moms out there, you should definitely try to bake with your kids, because otherwise they will end like me. Oh gosh, it went everywhere. Oh no, don't do that to me. Ah! Oh, it went on a tray. Oh. That's kind of, oh my gosh, that is really good. Whew. You know, it actually went so good until here. Oops, the dough went all over my hand. I guess I'm gonna... Actually, don't do that, kids. You shouldn't like eat raw eggs. They actually could make you die. That took a very serious turn really quickly. I didn't expect that to happen. So just fill your baking trays. Okay, me just trying to turn that into an actual tutorial after like how many minutes of filming? Yeah. Oh no, it's, oh gosh. Will this ever work out? Like probably, and not be a complete disaster? Probably not. You know me. Actually, you don't know me because I'm new on here, and you should definitely subscribe to get to know me. You should also definitely check out my Twitter, by the way, because I'm funny sometimes and it's a good time over there, you know. At least it's me having a kind of good time. Yep. I think we're fine with that. I'm just gonna lick the rest out of the bowl. And I'm now gonna preheat the oven and put them in there. So we'll see you after those short messages.
Toothpaste!
I'm back, bitches. So it's about half an hour later. I just cleaned up this whole mess, put the cupcakes in the oven and had some breakfast. Damn, they actually look so nice. Wow, look at them. Don't they look nice? Whew, it's hot. It's getting so hot in here now. The oven is, closed it. No, I'm just trying to take them out of their misery. Okay, so apart from a few ugly ones, which I'm just gonna eat right now so nobody has to see them, you know, that is the only reason. Yeah, apart from that, they actually look pretty damn nice, you know. Originally I was also planning on doing an icing, but let's be real, I'm just too lazy for that. But yeah, anyway, I think I'm gonna end this video at this point. Just gonna let those guys cool down and probably cool down myself for a bit because it's so hot. So as I think I not only did a really good job on these cupcakes, but also promoting my social media during this video, link in description. I feel like I should stop rambling and you could just subscribe down there. Also give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment on what I should bake next or why I should never bake again. And yeah, thank you for wasting your time with me today. Okay, bye! James Charles is shook. I thought it would be fun to actually film myself doing a full face for the first time in my entire life. Look at the state of me right now. What have I done? This is so wrong. This can't be right. We're just gonna ignore my face. This look is actually horrendous.